Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chevy Impala headlight bulb using a simple method. First, you'll need a few basic tools. Grab a 7mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension. You'll also need your new H11 or H9 headlight bulb, depending on whether you're replacing the low or high beam. Remember to wear gloves to prevent oils from your skin from touching the bulb's glass, which can shorten its lifespan. Now, let's get started. Pop open your Impala's hood and locate the headlight assembly you need to work on. You'll find one 7mm bolt securing the headlight in place. Use your ratchet and extension to carefully remove it. Once the bolt is out, look for a plastic retaining clip on the side of the headlight closest to the grille. Gently pull this clip straight up to release it. With the bolt and clip removed, you can now carefully pull the entire headlight assembly straight out from the vehicle. Be gentle to avoid scratching your fender. Once the assembly is free, locate the dust cover on the back of the headlight and twist it counterclockwise to remove it. This will expose the bulb. Now, grasp the old bulb, twist it counterclockwise, and then unplug its electrical connector. To install the new bulb, plug it into the electrical connector, then carefully insert it into the housing and twist clockwise until it locks into place. Remember not to touch the glass. Reattach the dust cover by twisting it clockwise. Finally, slide the headlight assembly back into position, ensuring the locating pins align, reinsert the plastic clip, and tighten the 7mm bolt. Check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.